solving problems involving ratio and proportion by. Now this is our learning objectives. Please read. In solving problems involving ratios and proportion, first we are gonna want to get the given quantities. Second, use the formula which is z is to y equals z is to w. X is to y equals z is to w. Third, check the answer that you got with a formula or cross multiplying each ratios and proportion, and there you got the answer. And this is our example 1, and the answer and explanation is here. Please watch the video. To solve for the equation, example number 1, we got 7 centimeters for photographic height of curving over photographic height of Rico. So we got 9 centimeters. And it's proportional, so the actual height of curving is 140 centimeters. And we're going to find the actual height of Rico. So we put x. To solve for the actual height of Rico, we're going to cross multiply. So 7 times x is equal to 9 times 140 centimeters. And 7x equal to 1260. To do this, we're going to multiply 1260 multiplied by 7. So 7 is 1. We're gonna multiply 1260 by 7. So after dividing 1260 by 7, we divide both sides by 7. We're going to get x equals 180. So therefore, Rico's actual height is 180 centimeters. Now for checking, we're just going to do this. 7 centimeters multiplied to 180 centimeters and 9 centimeters multiplied to 140 centimeters. So in order to know that it's correct, I'm going to 7 times 180 centimeters is 1260 centimeters equals 1260 centimeters. Now we know that our answer is correct. This is our example number 2 for solving the problem involving ratios and proportion. Please listen and watch the video carefully. To solve for example number 2, we will let x be the amount invested in stocks and 3x equals amount invested in bonds. The formula is 3x minus x equals 250,000. So to do that, we are going to minus x to 3x. So we got 2x equals 250. So what are we gonna do is multiply 2x and 250,000 by 2. So cancel that 2 and the 2x and yes, and divide 250,000 by 2. So we got 100x equals 125,000. Now that's the amount invested in stocks. To know the amount of bonds, we're going to multiply 125,000 by 3. So we got 375,000. So this is the amount invested in bonds. Therefore, 125,000 is the amount invested in stocks, and 375,000 is the amount invested in bonds. I will give the last examples here and the explanation and also the answer. Please watch the videos. So our example number 3 is the ratio of boys to girls in the mathematics club is 4 to 5. There are 25 girls in the club. Now, how many boys are in the club? So first, we'll put the ratio which is 4 is to 5. So 4 is to 5 is equal to x over 25 because 5 is 25. That is the number of girls in the club, and 5 is the ratio of the girls in the club. So cross multiply 5x is equal to 4 times 25. So 5x equals 100. Then divide both sides by 5. So cancel 5 and 5. So we get x equals 100 and divide this by 5 is equal to x equals 20. Therefore, there is 20 boys in a mathematics club. For the checking, we also use cross multiplication. 4 times 25 and 5 times 20. So 4 times 25 is equal to 5 times 20. So 100 equals 100. It's proportional. It's a proportion. So therefore our answer is correct, which is the number of boys in a mathematics club is 20. This is the second example. Please watch and listen carefully to the video. For the fourth example, the ratio of letters present in two words is 5 is to 3. If the first word contains 15 letters, how many letters are in the second word? So we have 5 is to 3 is equal to 15 over x because it's proportional and the number of letters in the first word is 15. So cross multiply 5x equals 3 times 15. So 5x, we got 5x equals 45. Then divide both sides by 5. Then we got 5x equals 45 over 5. So answer of that is x equals 9. Therefore, there are 9 letters in the second word. For the checking, we're also going to do cross multiplication. 5 times 9 is equal to 3 times 15. So answer is 45 is equal to 45. Now we know that our answer is correct. And yes, that's the only thing that I'll discuss because ratio and proportion is already discussed by Silvano. Now that is all about solving problems involving ratios and proportion. Thank you for listening and paying attention. That is all. See you to the next video.